Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Boy Scout s'mores cake. Now this recipe is super cute. Stu actually found the recipe in his Boy Scout, journal when he was going through some things. Boy Scout s'mores cake. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Please join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and smooshing the like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. And don't forget, there is a cookbook available, Outdoor Cooking with Edie Beans, available on Amazon, link below. Now, I love chocolate. I know Stu loves chocolate. Let's get ready to make Boy Scout s'mores cake.